Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the Hey or Google TV and selecting its HDMI input on your display. Make sure your router is nearby and you have the Wi-Fi name and password. This saves time during the guided setup. Once the TV boots, follow the on-screen pairing with your phone or remote. Use your Google account to sign in so apps and preferences sync. This is how the device remembers purchases and recommendations. If you don't have an account, create one on your phone now and return to continue. Once connected to Wi-Fi, let the Hey or Google TV check for updates. Installing these is important because updates add app compatibility and security fixes. While updates run, pair Bluetooth remotes or controllers and sign into streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube to speed testing. Make sure display resolution and HDR settings match your TV. Higher settings require compatible HDMI cables. In settings, review privacy and voice options, so recommendations, you're almost done. Install the apps you use and organize them on the home row for quick access. To cast from your phone, tap the cast icon and pick the Hey or device. Both devices must be on the same network. If playback stutters or apps fail, reboot the TV and router first. Check HDMI connections and replace the cable if colors or sound are wrong. If problems persist, reset network settings or perform a factory reset as a final step. But back up any important account info before doing so.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.